how to use any Android apps on PC or laptop. In today's video, I'm going to show you. First, open a browser and search BlueStacks. Now, go to the first website bluestacks.com. Now, click on the download option. And if you download this software, open it from the folder and double click on it, install it, click agree and install, and wait for a few seconds to complete install the BlueStacks. Click on the home page and you can see the smart download option, and they will show you the guideline how to use it. Also click on the all apps option. From the system apps, you can see the Play Store and other app you can use in here as like you use in your mobile phone. And you can go to the Play Store, sign in with your Gmail account, and you can install any Android app on it and you can use it. On the right side, you can see all the manual that you can use to control these BlueStacks apps. You can install Gmail, any game you want to play, you can start play on these BlueStacks. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you again into the next video.